Uvalo safile bafethu, it's your boy UkaySayne with another reaction bafethu ngeniphathele inkunzi bafethu lokhu Usimamane mfana omncane uhambisana nerazo la bafethu. Sjava but Uvalo Uvalo. This is an official video bafethu. Official video yale ngoma le bafethu. Let's get it. Usimamane. I think I haven't listened to the track so much, but I don't wanna lie. But that intro, yeah, look cool. It's like which song by Drake? There's a song by Drake. Ngale intro there. I don't know if they did a sample or what, but there's a song by Drake. Listen to this. Tell me you remember this shit, bro.
You just be all nonchalant, like you don't feel nothing. I'm terrified. They say you don't see me, bruv. Love me like I do. You never hold you. It actually said, don't even understand my feelings for you, but I know go to actually lay. I wanna give my all, but in Sjava, or maybe I am not ready. I've been in the street for a long time, and I don't wanna love, and you know why. I don't wanna love, and you know why. Sjava, Uvalo, Uvalo, Uvalo.
I know. Okay, for the cause this guy who's a director, bro, Lieutenant Scoops, bro. I know he's one of the greatest creatives, bro. I don't know what he. Okay, on this one, what is he trying to portray? Because there's always a meaning. Guma videos ake. He always does have a meaning. Guma videos ake, bro. He's one of the greatest creatives, Bafethu. What I'm seeing here is like Njonga ingoma lisho Usimamane Uvalo, and you see here amadokuza amantombazane, they like walking around udokuza Usimamane. I don't know, maybe he has this fear of involving himself with girls. He's been through a lot of girls, and he's been disappointed by love. I don't know the concept, bro. But I know Udokuza Ulutsando as a creative there's a deep meaning for the girls to be walking around Usimamane on this video.
Anything she's out under the next nyakotona nginembuza ngazi noma impendulo ngizothola sengikhathele uthando lwami ngilinika amaqola bangakunika uthando lwami.
Exactly what well, maybe that's I really got it. I really got it in that way, bro. into akayichazayo uSjava on his lyrics ukuthi ubile othandweni kodwa waqoleka kakhulu othandweni, so that's why eshawa philophobia. Philophobia, bro.
Philophobia. Anything she's uthando the next ngiyakodola. Nginembuza ngazi noma impendulo ngizothola. Senkathela uthando lwami ngilinika amaqola.
I keep losing Ilokhuzi lights bafethu. I keep losing lights Ilokhuzi yana. I don't know what's going on, but let me try and fix this. Wait. Okay. Distracting me. Sure. Let's go,
nginembuza ngazi noma impendulo ngizothola. Senkathela uthando lwami ngilinika amaqola. Bangakunika uthando lwami
bro. Khona le shandis le these cars ukuthi wait y'all get le motor those old school type of shit, cause mostly our videos are copra. They have locals, old school locals, old school cars, lawa classic, bra. You don't hire those fancy big cars, but they have these nice cars, bro.
Senkathela uthando lwami ngilinika amaqola. Bangakunika uthando lwami multiply. Noma lingafana nembali enganiselwa yendala. Inhliziyo yami yona ongayivikelana. Can I trust in you? Losing hope, izithemba lami. Ngicela ungixolele ngale mbuzo engiyibuzayo. Apha ngisuka khona imvula zinginethile. Yala ngishaywa ngevalo. Shawa uvalo.
You lose the most special people in your life just because you're scared. I've been through this, and it might happen with in the same thing, bro. So yeah, bro, it's real out here. Hey, we know. What the name probably then? We saw a video, a clip where like Usimamane on behind the scenes set. Mfana womgeqo obusisiwe.
Follow. Shawa Uvalo.
Yeah, big shout out to the cast, Buffet. Big shout out to everyone who's involved. We're making of this video and production and everything. Big shout out to all over. Y'all know Buffet. Let's get it. It's your boy UkaySayne. Crazy. Danko.